Today, I'll quickly show you how to remove the front bumper on a Toyota Camry XV50 without wasting your time. I'll show all the hidden clips, mounting points, and the exact places where most people accidentally break the tabs. So watch until the end. This will save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's get started. First, open the hood and remove the upper plastic cover. It's held in place by simple clips. Use a clip removal tool or a flat screwdriver and carefully pull them out. Once that's done, you'll get access to the upper bumper mounts. Next, remove the top clips holding the bumper. After that, move to the fender liner area. On each side, you'll need to remove the fasteners from the top, middle, and lower section. Then, repeat the exact same process on the other side. Now here's the most important part. The bumper is locked into side brackets underneath the headlights. A lot of people pull too hard and break these mounts. So carefully pull the bumper toward yourself while gently releasing the sides. If it feels tight, use a plastic trim tool or screwdriver to help loosen it. Now let's move to the lower part of the car. For easier access, it's better to lift the car slightly with the jack. Underneath, you'll see the engine cover and plastic splash shields. They're usually held in place with screws and clips. In my case, some of the fasteners are already missing, so don't pay attention to that. But on your car, you'll most likely have screws underneath, and those need to be removed. I'll also show you how everything looks from the inside. Right here are the lower mounting points and the places where the screws go in. This will help you better understand the setup and make sure you don't miss anything during removal. After that, all that's left is disconnecting the electrical connectors. First, unplug the fog light connectors. It's very simple. Press the locking tab and pull the connector toward yourself. Then disconnect the parking sensor plugs if your car has them installed. This is what the connectors look like. After that, you can safely pull the bumper off the car completely. And that's it, guys. As you can see, there's nothing too complicated here once you know where all the clips and mounts are located. I hope this video helped you understand how to remove the front bumper on a Toyota Camry XV50. If this video was useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which car teardown you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.